So today I'm going to talk about the IKEA POKAL glasses. These are 12 ounces. Forgive me if I'm mispronouncing the titles. I use these as drinking glasses. I love the clear glass design, and I grew up drinking out of these, actually, these exact same glasses, or something very similar. So they definitely remind me of home when I drink out of them. They're made of tempered glass, so it's good for hot and cold beverages, but I mostly use them for cold beverages. I'm not one to drink out of glasses for hot tea or anything like that. I prefer my iced tea in these types of glasses and using a mug for hot tea. But to each their own. You can use hot beverages and cold beverages in this. It's easy to grip with this kind of design here. What I like is my fingers can actually tighten around it, so there's no slipperiness, and it's easy to hold on to as opposed to just kind of trying to fumble for it. It's dishwasher safe. It's easy to clean by hand as well. I don't have a dishwasher at this moment personally, so I usually wash everything by hand, and these actually work fine for that. They're pretty large considering they're not pint glasses or your average drinking glasses. And I've had them for about 1 year, and so far they've worked really well. I got a set 6 of them, and I keep them in my kitchen. I don't really travel with them or anything like that. They're still fragile glass, so don't drop them. They will break. It fits in my cabinet with all my other glasses pretty well, so it's not too big or too small. I basically find it an essential to my dining room. I mean, glasses are important, but having a good set like this of drinking glasses is even more important. IKEA specializes in furniture and household items. I love IKEA. I go there and I buy from them a lot, and this is definitely one of my favorite buys from them because I use it every day. They're also really known for their simplistic and practical designs. So if you're looking for something that's practical and pragmatic that you want to drink out of, this is a good way to go as well. They're a Swedish company. I love them. They make a lot of different products, and they make a lot of drinking glasses, and I have a few of their other designs, but this is definitely one of my favorites because of how easy it is to hold on to, and they just look really pretty as well. I like this. So great addition to my glassware. Also great if you're into beer. They're very wide, so it's nice when you like to pour your beer into a glass. These are really nice for that, and they air out the liquid. I use these. I used to use this other brand, but it was something that kept breaking and got scratched up a lot, and so, you know, I really like these a lot more than that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful to you. These all came in a way where they're very easy to stack. They were really well packaged, and I definitely would recommend looking into them. Thank you for watching.